So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yagesh Bobre, and I know it's been a while, but this is a special video. And we are going to be talking about Supaclip.pro. Supaclip is a tool that I recently created, and it's very special to me because it was just an abstract idea a few weeks ago. And this in this video, I'll show you what the tool is about, but later I'll also be posting videos about how I created the tool itself, the technical aspect of it, right? So let's get down to it. So Superclip is a tool which basically turns any video, any YouTube video for now, into into a transcript, into a summary, and an AI assistant. It provides you with all these features, right, in an inclusive environment, so that you don't have to go anywhere else when you're watching a video. For example, me being a student, I've used it for watching a podcast or lecture, right? It provides me with an AI assistant right beside the video, so that I can type any doubt that I have. I don't have to open a new tab for it, right? So that's a very unique environment that Superclip provides, right? Then its use cases are very wide. Like it can be used by content creators, students, podcast hosts, researchers, etc., right? We already saw the main three features: the summary, right, the AI assistant, and the transcript with timestamps, right? And the most important thing is key, this tool is entirely free for all. It's free to use. All the main features are entirely free. We have added a custom domain feature that is a premium feature for creators, basically, so that they can have the Superclip dashboard itself on their own domain without so much as writing a single line of code on their end, right? So yeah, and if you want to know about more features, more updates related to Superclip, then yeah, I'd recommend you guys to subscribe here, right? Then moving on, we'll let's get down to the demo part of it, right? I'll just sign in quickly. So I'll sign in with GitHub for now. You'll see after I'm signed it's replaced with get started, right? So what now I'll do is I'll just quickly go to YouTube. I'll just pick any random video. I'll copy the URL and I'll close this tab. Then what I can do is I can paste the URL here and hit enter, or click on the search icon. That will do. Or otherwise I can go to my dashboard first, right? This is my Superclip dashboard. These are the Superclips that I've already created, right? I'll click on add video. I'll hit the URL here and click on get video, right? A pop-up opens up with our video, right? I'll hit on generate, and what it will do is start the process of generating the Superclip, the transcript, the summary, and a trained AI assistant for this particular video, right? So you'll see a page is created, an inclusive and wholesome environment is created for you to watch your video, right? So I can just tune in, watch this video, right? I can watch the video. I'll have the like transcript just below it, and I also have the summary. I can ask any question related to this video right here, right? And I'll have the answer in just a few seconds. It's that simple. It's an inclusive environment, right? And you can share this video with anyone that you want, your friends, right? So I think this is a very useful feature of sharing, right? And when you can add as many Superclips as you want. In the future, we'll be adding a resource section so that you can add some resources that you like related to this video here, and you'll be able to share those resources, right, related to that video. So that's something that we are building upon. We are adding more features soon, right? Now moving on to the premium part, the custom domain part for creators, right now if I go to the settings, you'll see that it's just a basic profile, right? And it's prompting me to upgrade to premium to add a custom domain. If I click on this, I'll be redirected to a checkout page, right? I'll have to pay to become a premium user, right? And I have to use my email that I have associated with GitHub, so that it links the user, right? So if you face any problems that you have paid and you don't get associated, you can contact us. We have shared in the footer the email, right? So yeah, I'll quickly fill out this checkout and we'll resume, right? So I've finished the checkout. Right now if I reload this, I should be, yeah, I'm converted to a premium user, right? And then, so I'm converted to a premium user. So now I have a field which says I can add a custom domain, right? So now I'll just go to my domain. I have a free domain right now, so I'll just type in that. So this is a domain that I have available right now. If I hit on save, you'll see that the domain gets added, and domain added successfully. Now if I reload, you'll see that a DNS entry is given to us, right? So basically the domain is misconfigured. So I'll go back to the my domain provider and adjust these fields, right? So I went to my DNS provider at GoDaddy, and I added this in the DNS, right? So if I reload this, it might take a while for you. So you'll see custom domain is working, right? So if I go to that domain right now, you'll see that a custom Supaclip page is provided here, right? If I go to create a page, I'll see that that Supaclip dashboard is now live on this custom domain, right? So the dashboard itself, any video I click, you'll see that the whole video page is also there. So with no extra effort, you've added that Superclip dashboard to your own domain, right? So creators can use this as a premium feature, right? And it'll be very helpful for increasing your organic reach. It's only for $17, and I think if you want to support this product, then definitely this is a way. Otherwise, this tool is completely free to use, and I hope many of you guys use it. And let me know, what do you feel about this product? What do you feel could be improved upon? What new features could be like brought in, right? Let me know everything, your feedback, your comments, your suggestions, everything in the down in the comments below, right? And everything related to this video, like the links, the live link, the production page, all the socials, I'll be linked in the description below, right? So that's it for this video, and see you guys next time.